Father Ambrose Olasinde, the principal, Our Lady of St. Gabriel Catholic College, Okebale, Oshobo. I have come again to invite you, our prospective parents, to come and obtain forms, admission forms for your children for the 2019-2020 academic session. Children who are 10 years and above may obtain the forms. We admit boys and girls into the school. The examination date for this year is on Saturday, 11th May 2019 at 9 in the morning. The applicants will be examined in the following subjects on that day: English language, mathematics, and general papers. And the school is top of the class. When you come to us, you are sure that the total formation and absolute formation of your children is guaranteed.
This is a place where you can get holistic education.
Teachers are nice and caring, and they are building us to become future leaders.
Parents, come and try us at Our Lady and St. Gabriel Catholic College, and the trial will convince you.